Alright, so this is where we left off. We're going to finish and put our quote in for this. So we have the author's use of illusion to influence, advise her son by pandering to his vanity, by alluding to history and implying that he is a genius like Cicero. And I figured out how to write it, so give me a second. Who, no quotes yet. We're going to use the ellipsis. So here come our quotes. There's the ellipsis. Shone so distinguished. Make sure I have that exactly right. Yes. And the ellipsis again. Okay. Now, I'm going to cross this out because I don't need that right now. Okay, so who shone so distinguished because he has the intellect and has been and here comes our next illusion, alright, from paragraph 4. I'm not using the entire thing. So ellipsis again. With the blessing of heaven. And I'm not using what's after. So ellipsis. Afforded the opportunity to travel to France and see his father rewarded for all he's done in the revolution. Now, I know in class we talked about maybe it had something to do with seeking aid for the revolution. However, I want to point out to you that in paragraph 5, okay, that you have a parent who has taken so large and active a share in this contest and discharged the trust reposed in him with so much satisfaction as to be honored with the important embassy which at present calls him abroad. So he's going to be honored. Not that they're seeking aid, but that he's going to be honored. Okay? So this is what we have so far. Now, is this enough of an explanation? Not really. It's a start, but it's not enough. Okay? So I want you to use this, and I want you to keep in mind that, now, just because there's 2 more lines down here doesn't mean that's why it's not enough. You still want to make sure that you go above and beyond. That's what gets you the score of the 7, the 8, the 9. Remember, you have to have at least a 5 to get a passing score. So we've got to start, okay? But I want you to be able to have time to go and do your other body paragraphs on your own and play with it a little bit and see how you do. All right? I look forward to seeing these when I come back on Friday.